Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can sync your Microsoft Planner to your Outlook account. Okay, so by default, if I add a task in here in Microsoft Planner, as I'm going to do right now, so let's make a random task that is going to be called, I don't know, track my calories, for example, right? If I go to Outlook, this is going to be automatically in here, right? Synchronize, which is perfect. Now, what's going to happen if I want to assign a certain task inside of a plan? As you can see here, I have a plan that is called Simple Plan, which has a task that is called Run 5 kilometers. If I go to my Outlook, nothing is going to appear. So the first thing that I need to do is actually to go to my settings, which are in here, and I'm going to go to do settings, and I have to basically go to Planner and click it on. Okay, that's the first step. Now, as you can see, nothing happens still. And the reason why nothing happened is because I have to assign this task to somebody. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to go to the task and I'm gonna click on this purple button here and I'm gonna assign the task to whatever, to a random name, which is gonna be me in this case. Now, after I do that, I can just refresh this page. And as you can see, the task now appears, which is called Ryan 5 kilometers. So that's it. Thank you very much.